In our next demonstration, we'll be looking at how to use the prick punch. This little instrument is used to make small marks that we call pop marks. The main purpose of a prick punch is to make very small but visible round dents on marked off scribe lines, so that those lines remain visible when we cut or drill the metal. We also need a pop mark at the center position of holes to keep the legs of a divider steady, which you'll see later. Pop marks placed at the center line intersections of hole positions help the operator see that the drill bit runs true whilst drilling. A prick punch has a very fine and sharp point. The point is carefully lined up onto a marked line or intersection as demonstrated. Next, the punch is raised to an upright position which will place the point onto the line. A sharp tap is given using a small machinist's hammer as demonstrated, and the result will be a small, neat, round dent on the line. A cutting line is usually pop marked all along its length, and the marks spaced about 2 to 3 millimeters apart. You need a good eye and a steady hand to produce a well-marked cutting line. The prick punch must be kept sharp. A blunt or dull point will result in poor work. During the review break, practice using your prick punch to create a cutting line on a metal workpiece.